Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically mark an email as read in Gmail as part of your make.com called automation. So your inbox only shows emails that genuinely need your attention when you log in to your Gmail inbox. I have created this scenario when I asked make.com to watch incoming email and based on some filters I've set up, respond to those emails automatically. Now, if I run this once to test it, and in my inbox, in the client's inbox, I receive this email automatically. Excellent. However, if you go into this Gmail account, where I first received my client's inquiry, which is this one, it doesn't show anything about this email being read. So here's what happens by default. When make.com watches your email and picks up that email, it reads the data, the subject, the sender, the body, and sends that data through your scenario. But it doesn't open the email in the way that we would do, a human would do. Gmail does not register that as a read action. So the email stays unread. Over time, especially if your scenario runs on a regular schedule, you accumulate bold unread emails that have already been processed. Your inbox becomes cluttered with visual noise. You cannot tell from a glance which one actually needs your attention and which one has already been dealt with. The fix, there are two ways to fix it. Both are effective depending on when you want that action to be taken. And I'm going to show you both today. Just for your information, if you want to build automations faster, click the link in the description of this video below to get my free make.com beginner's guide right now. It covers the core skills that you'll need to get real results quickly in matters of days. Thank you. First is to add an extra module after the module that you actually want to complete before recognizing that inbox email as a read email. In this occasion, let's just say after replying to the emails the client sent us, we want our original incoming email to become a read email. We can just add a module here at the end of this chain of modules, and we'll go to Gmail, and we need to look for mark an email as read. Now, in this case, you need to make sure the message ID is really what you want to mark as read. So here, we need to look back at watch email because that's the incoming emails, not when you reply to that email. So you need to here to choose this thread ID and click save. Save the scenario. And then we're going to run this scenario once. And you can see it has been run. One email has been responded to. One email has been watched, sent to the second module and responded to automatically, and then sent to the third module to mark this email as read. So we go to our client's inbox, you see the response, which is this one, responded to that email. And we go to my inbox now, the inbox where I received the client's emails. And you can see here, it's marked read automatically without me touching it. That's exactly what you need to do. Now, there is a second way to do it. Here's the second solution. Instead of adding a new module, you can think about when you ask Gmail to watch this email, you can ask it to mark it read in that first module. However, you do need to remember if it processed it first, it might not actually get through to the second one and it will still mark it as read. Inside this watch email module, it says here, when mark email messages as read when fetched. So if it's fetched, recognize that's the right email to fetch, then you will say yes here and you will click save. In this case, the mark as read action doesn't come after you respond to the email to the client, but it comes after you receive the email, the make.com fetch that email in the first place. So the action takes place in a different time. Do remember that. But if I save this module now and run this once, and if you go to the Gmail, it has automatically marked it as unread. Obviously, the second action has also taken place. It's very difficult to judge in our naked eyes which action actually taking place first. However, in this case, it is the first module is where the mark as read action takes place, not after responding to that email. All right, there are two solutions to solve the same issue that we have mentioned before, and hope you'll find this video and the solutions I proposed very useful. So now you know how to mark emails to read automatically, to add a Gmail mark as read at the end of a scenario, or to take that one settings inside watch email module to do exactly the same thing. Different triggers that happens at different points of the time of the scenario, but the results in the same thing. Your received email has become automatically marked as read. Great. Now, next video, I'm going to teach you how to label an email automatically, as well as marking emails as read. You can also tag them so you can see exactly which ones have been handled by your automation. Very useful for staying organized. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel down in clicks for more bite-sized videos just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.